Very good morning to all of you, my dear students. I think most of the students are absent. Anyways, after Puja, this is our first class. And I think in the previous class, already I have discussed in the previous class regarding Laplace transformation. And Mukul, if I am not wrong, already I have taken 4 or 5 classes on MATLAB, right now? And because of our lateral entry students, I have taken 1 or 2 classes for them for regarding MATLAB. I mean, learning Laplace transform, because they have told they are facing problem in Laplace. Am I right, Shantanu?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today I will again discuss regarding the Laplace transform for you. PPT is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
For make the PPT enlarge, I have to press F5 right now. It is not working.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know why it is not working.
Ma'am, side is slideshow. Yes.
Okay, can I go for slideshow? After slideshow, where I have to go?
Ma'am, right corner below.
From beginning?
Ma'am, right at the below.
Yes, from beginning. Okay, so again presentation on Laplace transform. Definition of Laplace transform I have told. Advantages of Laplace transform of some elementary functions. Up to this, it is clear to all of you, my dear regular students and lateral entry students. Up to this, it is clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can you tell me, I have discussed regarding shifting theorem and differentiation theorem or inverse of Laplace or nothing?
Ma'am, the time shifting and frequency shifting theorem is
no,
done.
I am not asking you. I am just asking lateral students.
Ma'am, this is my first class in lateral. I have not.
Shamrik?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Abhishek. Continue. Abhishek, what did you say?
The time shifting theorem, frequency shifting theorem, and time differentiation theorem and frequency differentiation theorem, that all is.
As far I remember, I have started transient analysis for RL series circuit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
and I have
ma'am.
completed that RL series circuit in case of step response, in case of sinusoidal. Have I started?
No, ma'am. Sinusoidal not done.
No, ma'am. Sinusoidal is not done.
Okay. And I think I have completed the step response in case of RL series circuit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is the definition, advantages of Laplace transform of some elementary function. So can I recapitulate? Laplace of 1, that is equal to 1 by s. Laplace of e to the power at, that is equal to 1 by s minus a. And you know how to prove it, how to derive the Laplace transform using the formula. That is, basic formula is that 0 to infinity ft e to the power minus st dt. And if ft is equal to say 1, then you have to put 1. And after doing the integration, put the limit, you will get the result. That's all. It's very simple. But you have to do the calculation manually. After that, you will be able to get the clear idea regarding the Laplace transform. Okay, you have to do it. and shifting theorem, everything is done. Differentiation theorem, and the lateral student, I am requesting you go through the previous lecture, through the YouTube lecture or in the Moodle. I have uploaded it, and if you face any problem, you will tell me, I will explain you, okay? And the Laplace transform from the second derivative of ft and first derivative of ft. And after that, integration, Laplace of integration theorem, inverse Laplace theorem. Definitely, this is very simple. If you take the Laplace transform of a particular function, then that is time domain to frequency domain, and if you come frequency domain to time domain, that will be inverse. That is opposite of that. So initial value theorem, final value theorem, already we have done problems on initial value theorem and final value theorem, and I am requesting each and everybody from lateral and regular, all the students, that you have to go through the semester question paper. I think I have uploaded the semester question paper in Moodle. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So just I'm asking lateral students, are you able to access the Moodle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So go through the semester question paper for each and every module which I have covered. You will study each and every module and go through the semester question paper. On the basis of the question paper of different years on a particular model, the concept will be clear, and it will be helpful for you to do the problems in your exam, semester exam. ठीक है. This is the example, and this is the Laplace transform of some important signals. Okay, now come to another one. Just again, I am recapitulating regarding different Laplace of different signals. That is lecture note 1. Everything is uploaded in Moodle. So what is step function? Step function is basically represented by KUT, that is equal to K. From this figure, it is obvious that if the restriction is that if t greater than 0, then you will get the value K. That is, the value will exist if the time greater than equal to 0 in case of step function. Obviously, from the figure, it is obvious that if t less than 0, then the value will be 0. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So a shifted or delayed unit step. What do you mean by shifted? Shifted mean what? Shifted mean the time, the function will start not from the time equal to 0. It will start for a particular time delay. Here the time delay is capital T. So the function was initially ut. Now after shifting capital T time, it will be represented by ut minus t. And that will be equal to 1 for t greater than t and for t less than t. So if you want to, take the Laplace transform of a particular step function, then what was the equation? It was 0 to t, 1 or k e to the power minus st, 0 to infinity. But when it will be shifted by t, then what will be the limit? Abhishek, what will be the limit in case of after shifting capital T?
T to infinity.
T to infinity. Very good. So after that, you will be able to get the Laplace transform of delayed or shifted unit step. Then what will be the answer? The Laplace transform of simple unit step function or normal unit step function is k by s or 1 by s. But if you consider the shifted delayed unit step function, then what will be the Laplace of that? Anybody can tell me? What
1 by s
operator?
minus t.
Sorry?
1 by s minus t.
No.
E power minus st divided by s.
Exactly so. Because Laplace of unit step is 1 by s. And if you add the shifted portion, the Laplace of that will be e to the power minus st. So e to the power minus st will be added, e to the power minus st. divided by s. I think it is written over here. This is 1 by s or k by s. This is e to the power minus st by s. This t means not the small t, not the t operator. This is the shifted. If it is shifted by a, it will be e to the power minus as. Do you remember that? Did you notice that? This t is not the small t. This is not the time domain t. This is the shifted by capital T, time. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now come to get function. Basically, I am recapitulating for our new entry students. Up to this, it is clear. So come to get function. From this figure, it is obvious that this, if you consider this step function, that will be continued like this. Did you follow my mouse? That will be continued by this. From starting from A, that is the shifted by A. After that, if you consider this one, that will be continued up to infinity. But if you want to get this block, then what will happen? To get the block, if you want to stop the function, step function, that will start from A, that is ku t minus A. It will be continued. And if you consider this one, forget about this, it will be ut minus b. So if you want to get this block, you have to subtract kut minus a minus kut minus b. After that, you will be able to get the get function.
Ma'am, this b is inverse.
Sorry?
Ma'am, this b is inverse.
Inverse?
Yes, ma'am. In the
No,
previous lecture, when I was attending the previous lecture, you were saying something that this is starting from the inverse, or
no, there is no concept of inverse. This is the basic Laplace. This function, forget about b. Just start from A. Shifted. This is what? This is shifted. Shifted step starting from T. The function will start from T. Okay? Now, this is starting from A. And this is starting from B. Now it is clear. There is no concept of inverse Laplace here.
okay.
So if you consider this function, what will be the Laplace, expression of this? Kut minus a. And what will be the representation of function that will start from time b? It will be kut minus b. So if you subtract all these things, this and that, then you will be able to get the block. Kut minus a, kut minus b. Then what is the Laplace of kut minus a? Already Abhishek has told. E to the power minus as by s into k. And what is the Laplace of ut minus b? E to the power minus bs into k by s. So take k by s common, it will give e to the power minus as minus e to the power minus bs. So this is the get function. Now come to ramp function. What is the basic definition of ramp function? Ramp means slope. So this is the slope that looks like Ohm's law, and that is the function having, uniform, the same slope. If you consider this point, the slope is same. If you consider this point, the slope here and that here, that will be same. The slope is what? That is the delta y by delta x. Here it is basically time. It is basically the function. So the representation of the ramp function will be k of RT, that is kt. Definitely, if you have to write the function mathematical representation of that until and unless you will be able to get the output of the circuit. So from the figure, it is obvious that if t greater than equal to 0, then the value will be 0. And with the time t greater than equal to 0, you will get the time kt. If t equal to 0, the value is 0. If t equal to 1, value is k. If t equal to 2, value is 2k, like this. So this is the representation of ramp function. So what will be the Laplace of kt? Mukul, what is the Laplace of kt? Laplace of kt, that is 0 to infinity into k, t e to the power minus st dt, 0 to infinity. What will be the Laplace of t? Anybody can tell me what is the Laplace of t? It is the fourth.
1 by a square.
Yes, 1 by
1 by a square.
Why are you studying? Every day I am telling you in the Laplace class, the Laplace of, I mean, step function is 1 by s, Laplace of t is 1 by s square, and Laplace of impulse, what was the value? Do you remember what is the Laplace of impulse?
1.
1. So again I am repeating. Mukul, just tell me what is the Laplace of step function? If it is unit step, what is the Laplace of that? Say first.
1 by s.
What is the Laplace of t?
Laplace of 1 by s square.
What is the Laplace of impulse?
1.
Fine. Now shift it. From the figure, the Laplace of ramp function, which starts from 0, the 1 by s square. When it is shifted, then what the parameter, what the term will be added? Abhishek.
K e to the power minus ts by s square.
Exactly. So e to the power minus ts will be applied here because it is shifted by capital T. If it is shifted by a, e to the power minus as by s square. ठीक है? This is shifted by capital T. So Laplace of t is equal to 1 by s square. Now Laplace of t minus t, that is the shifted ramp, that will be k by s square e to the power minus ts. This is the extra term which will be added in case of shifted. I think it is clear to all of you. First of all, we have started step function. Who is there? Shamrik or Saurabh? Anybody can tell me which thing I have covered today till now? Laplace transform of what?
Laplace transform of step signal, gate function,
Okay.
ramp function.
Delay step and delayed step. Fine.
Yes, ma'am. Gate
After that,
function
get function,
and then ramp function.
ramp function, and delayed ramp. Right?
Delayed ramp. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And when you will follow my class, you will write in a particular copy, inserting the date for today. And this will help you to track what I have taught you in this particular class. Fine. So after that, come to impulse function. This function is very important. This function is also known as Dirac delta function. That is denoted by delta t. Dirac delta means this is denoted by delta t. It is also called the impulse function. This is a function of real variable t, such that the function is 0 anywhere except at the instant 0. From the definition, it is clear that the function will have a sharp value at the point t equal to 0, and other than 0, the function will have the value that will be equal to tends to 0. Physically, it is a very sharp pulse of infinitesimally small width and very large magnitude, the area under the curve being unity. Just I am coming down. So this is the figure. What I have told you, 3 by a, and this is a by 3. So if you multiply a by 3 into 3 by a, this will give the area of the particular function, right? So a by 3 into 3 by a, what? 1. And similarly, if you go there, a by 2 into 2 by a, that will be also 1. And a 1 by a, that will be also 1. So from this figure, it is obvious that if you proceed from 0 to t, I mean infinite on the t-axis, then what will happen? The value will be infinitely small. Just see, if t equal to 0, the value is 3 by a. This is high. If t equal to say any value a by 3, then value is 2 by a. This 2 by a is less than 3 by a. If value is a, then it is 1 by a. See, this 1 by a is definitely less than 2 by a. So when you proceed up to infinity from 0 to t, then value will be smaller, smaller, smaller. So up at infinity, there will be no value of the impulse function. There will be a sharp value at the point t equal to 0. Is it clear? So in a nutshell, you can tell that if a tends to 0, when t tends to infinity, right? And the resulting function is known as impulse. So how can you get the Laplace transform of impulse function? Fine. Already I have told that the impulse function, that is Dirac delta function, is represented by delta t. Fine. So minus infinity to plus infinity delta t, that is t, that will be equal to 1. Already I have told you the Laplace transform of Dirac delta function will be 1. So how can you get it? How can you prove the delta t, that is equal to limit a tends to 0, 1 by a, ut minus a. Can you tell me what is the representation of this? What is the concept? What you have got it? What you have got it? Mukul, what is your concept? ut minus a. Anybody? Anybody? Shamrik? Just now.
Is it the shifted in impulse function?
Sorry?
Shifted one.
This is the get function. Very good. ut minus a. This is the get function, right now. So basically, if you consider, just go up. I'm sorry. Right. This is a particular gate. This is a particular gate. This is a particular gate. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a particular gate, 1 by a ut minus a. And take ut, Laplace of ut is what? 1 by s. And Laplace is ut minus a is what? Shifted step function, e to the power minus as by s. And a tends to 0, because if you proceed from 0 to infinity on the basis of the t, then a tends to 0. So limit a tends to 0, 1 minus e to the power minus as by as. And if you put the limit, then you will be able to get the Laplace of Dirac delta function, that is equal to 1. How the Dirac delta function Laplace is 1? It is clear to all of you. Now, you can do in another way. As a mathematical expert, you can do this. E to the power minus a series is basically 1 minus as plus a square s cubed by 2 minus a cube s cubed by 3 factorial up to this. So if you put this and if you put the limit a tends to 0, then what will happen? You will get 1. Now come to inverse Laplace of transfer of a particular function. And Abhishek, have I discussed all these things, inverse Laplace of a particular function, in the previous class? I am asking the regular class basically.
Yes, ma'am.
I've done it, no? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So everybody please listen again. Fs is equal to what? 2s plus 1 by s plus 1 into s plus 2 into s plus 3. So if you take the partial fraction, what will happen? K1 by s plus 1 plus K2 by s plus 2 plus K3 by s plus 3. So how can you get the value of K1, K2, K3? You have to do it manually. Fine. Do it manually first. How can you get the K1? If this is the total Fs, so Fs into s plus 1 is equal to minus 1. This is the method. Got it? Anybody has any problem to understand how to get the value of K1? Anybody has any problem? So similarly, how can you get K2? Tell me. Anybody can tell me how can you get K2? And if you are able to tell me how can you get K2, I think the concept is clear. How can you get K2? Fs into?
K2 is equal to s plus 2 into Fs.
Yeah, Fs into s plus 2, and the limit will be s equal to
minus 2.
S equal to minus 2. And what will be the K3? Fs equal to Fs into s plus 3 equal to minus
and the
3.
limit will be s equals to minus 3.
Minus 3. Put the value. So in this way, you are able to get the value of K1, K2, K3 and put the value K1, K2, K3. K1 is minus 1, K2 is 3, and it is minus 5. Now, what is the inverse of this? What is the Laplace of e to the power minus st? It was 1 by s plus 1. So in the previous, in the backtrack, if you consider the inverse of that, it will be to the power minus t. So you have to arrange in this fashion so that from the structure, you are able to tell what is the inverse of this. So this is the normal representation of Laplace. So inverse of this will be to the power minus st, because Laplace of e to the power minus st is 1 by s plus 1. So what is the inverse Laplace of it? 1 by s plus 2, e to the power minus 2t. What is the Laplace of inverse Laplace of s plus 3? E to the power minus 3t. And put minus 5 by 2, 3 and minus 1. These are the constant. So from the figure, the problem is clear to all of you. How can you get the time domain from the frequency domain? That is the Laplace domain. I think it is clear. Now again a problem is there. Find the inverse Laplace transform of the particular function. 12 by s plus 2 whole square into s plus 4. So how can you do it? This is the repeat s plus 2. K1 by s plus 2 whole square plus K2 by s plus 2 plus K3 by s plus 4. And this is the previous method you have to apply so that you are able to get K1, K2, K3. Then put the value K1, K2, K3. How can you get K2 in this method? DDS of s plus 2 whole square Fs. So you have to know what is the DDS of a particular function. You have to know this. Fine. So applying this theorem, you will get 12 by s plus 4, s equal to minus s2. Now you are able to get K2. Similarly, K3. Put the value of K1, K2, K3. Now come here. What is the Laplace of t? 1 by a square. Right? So if it is simply 1 by a square, it was t. But because it is shifted minus 2t, hence the point is here, s plus 2. So you have to add a to the power minus 2t. Abhishek, it is clear? What is the Laplace of t? 1 by a square. Fine. What is the Laplace of t? 1 by a square. So what is the inverse Laplace of 1 by a square? It will be t. Exactly. But because here s plus 2, that is shifted. You know, if the step function is shifted by, say, 2, then it will be e to the power minus 2 into what? 2s. Mone porche na na? Do you remember? Just I'm going back. You have to do. This one. If it is shifted by t, e to the power minus st by s. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
So similarly, it will be applicable here. Basically, you have to do yourself until and unless you do right. So this is a review plus 5 plus 3. And I think this is your homework. You will do it. Then applications of Laplace transform. Solving integral differential equation. I think I have told what is integral differential equation. Okay. Dhiman is present. Mrityunjay Maji. Mrityunjay, I think you are present over here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mrityunjay, can you tell me what is the topics? And what are the basic topics? Have I completed right now? Can you tell me,
Ma'am,
please?
you have discussed about step function and
Yeah.
shifted or delayed step function,
Mm-hmm.
and you have also discussed about ramp function and its
Mm-hmm.
shifted or delayed, that one. Then you have said about impulse function. So all this you have said, and some inverse also you have discussed.
And the inverse Laplace of different function Laplace, right now?
Yes, ma'am.
So Shamrik, Saurabh,
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya,
Yes, ma'am.
who are present over here from the lateral entry students, just I think this is the second class on Laplace transfer from your end, and you will go through the different lectures of Laplace and different the materials which I have uploaded, and definitely you'll go through today's class and it will help you and you will do yourself. You have to write what is Laplace transform, what is the definition, what is the equation of Laplace transform, and putting the value of ft. You will do it, you will do yourself. Then you will be able to get the basic idea how to get the Laplace transform of different function, different differentiation theorem, shifting theorem, integration theorem, all these things. ঠিক আছে?
ম্যাম যেই থিওরেম গুলো যে মুডেলে আপলোড করা আছে, যেরকম ইকুয়েশন গুলো আপনি আজকে দেখালেন, ওরকমই কি এক্সামে আসে? এক্সামে কোশ্চেন কি ওরকম?
Basically we don't know. In this semester it will be a normal physical exam or online exam. I have no idea. And I think the regular student, what type of questions did you face in case of basic electrical and another subject in your first semester? There was numerical
basic
questions?
concept. Ma'am, numericals were definitely there. Basic conceptual questions mostly.
Conceptual questions. Well, definitely you have to know
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
Right, Shamrik?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to get a
And
clear
ma'am,
idea.
single formula sums were there.
Yeah.
অনলাইন মোডে তো ম্যাম সব এমসিকিউই তো ছিল মনে হয়।
Yes.
MCQ will be there, but you have to know the basic concept and basic, equation. What is the equation? What is the formula you have to use? If we don't have the idea, then you will not be able to do in the particular time.
Ma'am,
Right,
formula.
Namukul?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, formula. We had to choose the correct formula also.
Exactly so.
Among the questions.
You have to know the correct formula, and in a particular what is the time limit?
Ma'am,
2
3
hours?
hours.
3 hours. So within 3 hours, and you actually in case of physical, exam, you will get the marks in the steps, right, Namukul?
Yes, ma'am.
But in that case, if the answer is not correct, you will get 0.
Yes, ma'am. Sadly.
So we want to get back in our previous class, that is, previous situation, that is physical class. You want to come to college. Shamrik and
Yes,
other Shurab and other students, did you come to college once?
ইয়েস ম্যাম, অবভিয়াসলি।
Yes, ma'am. বই আনতে গেছিলাম একটু।
Okay, fine.